Hello and welcome to my channel. Today let's make a popular South Indian snack called as Alu Bonda. Take 4 medium-sized potatoes, transfer it to a pressure cooker, add some water and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Now to a bowl add 1 cup of gram flour or besan, add salt to taste, add a big pinch of carom seeds or ajwain, a pinch of turmeric powder and mix well. Add water gradually. Keep stirring. You may need approximately 3/4 cup of water. Mix well, and the consistency of the batter needs to be slightly thick. Set the batter aside. Now the potatoes are completely cooked. Transfer the potatoes to a plate and cool them completely. Once they are completely cool, peel them. Now roughly mash the potatoes. Do not mash it completely. Now to another vessel add 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, add 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, 1 green chili chopped and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Add 1 medium-sized onion, saute and let it just turn soft and not brown. Add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Mix well. Now add in the mashed potatoes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and give a quick mix. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well and switch off the flame. Now the stuffing is ready. Transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool. Once it's completely cool, you can shape the stuffing into round balls. Dip the potato stuffing into the batter prepared and deep fry it. Once you put them in hot oil, leave it untouched for a minute. Later, flip them and fry until golden brown. Alu Bonda is now ready to serve. You can serve it as it is or with some coconut chutney. Thanks for watching.